Market classification, July 1st, 2025, bullish normal, overbought on all dimensions except the 2-day, which is still well above average. All systems go. Sniper trade of the day, July 1st, 2025, standard opening range 10 breakout. Standard risk for our trade, standard exit on a breaking of the dragon just north of the PSAR. Market classification, July 1st, 2025, the slope of the 30-period regression line has found support at the long-term average and hooking up, suggesting likelihood of an increased set of gains in the short term, next 10 days. Market classification, last 30 days on daily bars, all three regression line slopes are up, pushing to all-time new highs, reduced volatility, long-term favorable conditions. Market classification for the stock setups in our multi-time frame NDX for July 1st, 2025. Broad-based strength on all time dimensions with the exception of Tesla, NVIDIA, and Microsoft. This is a case for the Dow Jones 30 Industrials to exploit that with a triple leveraged ETF like UDOW. July 1st, 2025. July 1st, 2025, ETF setups based on the multi-time frame NDX lens. Strength across the board with the exception of Japan. Hard to go wrong here. Both globals and the U.S. are working hard for you. I'd stay with the Dow Jones Industrials with a broad, mature, leveraged ETF like UDOW. Intraday movers for short-term traders, looking at the Frog series. Best traders are Unusual Machines, Bitcoin, Marijuana, Tesla, Palantir. Standout opportunities with intraday volatility and volume. July 1st, 2025. Stock setups for the mechanical swing systems still have 4 symbols that test out better than 2-to-1 on the auto framer. Some good choices there in Chevron, DuPont, Tesla, traded to the short side, and ExxonMobil. July 1st, 2025, ETF setups for great auto framers, 11-to-1 on oil, 2.2-to-1 on energy, 3.3 on gold, 5.2 on agriculture,